We're here at Sgil Cymru. You're about to start your shared apprenticeship. Why did you want to do this?
I thought this apprenticeship was a really great way into the industry for me to explore all the different contacts and moving around lots of different production industries.
Why did you want to come here in particular for a media apprenticeship?
So there was a lot of stuff online that I've seen, like Sue was saying, screen skills, and just all on like social media really, and word of mouth. So
And I suppose the thing with a shared apprenticeship as well, you can get many different type of skills simply because you're sort of skyrocketed everywhere. Have you got anywhere in particular that you would like to go?
yeah, exactly. I was never really set on a certain thing, so I think this apprenticeship is great for me to find out all the different areas. Production, sound, it's going to cover so many aspects and areas.
And what about yourself? Do you kind of know what you want to do with Sgil Cymru?
I'm not 100% like set on any one pathway, which is kind of like what Jake was saying. But it's really nice just to be able to get the opportunity to kind of see every aspect of the industry really. So that's what this apprenticeship really benefits in, is that none of us particularly know exactly where we want to go, but we get to see every aspect of the job by doing this. So we get to kind of get an idea of where we want to be. I would definitely recommend it.